Hey there, fellow traders and eToro enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about popular trading platforms in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling a common task that might trip you up if you're new to eToro: how to change your address. Whether you've just moved houses or need to update your details for security reasons, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your eToro account. If you haven't already, open the eToro app on your phone or head to the website on your computer and enter your username and password. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner, represented by your initials or a picture. Click on that to access your account settings. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Personal Information, or Profile, section. This is where all your details like name, email, and address are stored. Click on the Address field, and you'll see an Edit option. Go ahead and type in your new address, making sure to double-check for accuracy. Typos can cause issues with verifications later on. After you've entered the new information, hit the Save or Update button. eToro might ask you to verify this change for security purposes, so keep an eye out for an email or a prompt on the app. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Once verified, your address will be updated instantly. Why is this important? Well, an up-to-date address ensures that any important documents, like tax forms or withdrawal confirmations, get sent to the right place. Plus, it keeps your account compliant with regulations. If you run into any hiccups, eToro's support team is just a chat away. Look for the help icon in the app. And there you have it. That's how you change your address on eToro in just a few simple steps. It really is that easy. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on trading platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!